guys, in the video of today we have the red Charge 5. So let's unpack it. So the packaging is the same as with the other colors. So let's pull it off the speaker. Alright, well, this color is also pretty cool. I must say that the orange color is a little bit less present on this one, of course, because it's already red. Let's put the box on top of the other box. It just fits under my screen. Kind of funny. So let's power it on. Let's do some Partyboost connecting with 3 Charge 5s. I will be back with you guys in a minute. I'm curious which model this is. It's a TL model, the red one. So yeah, the same as the blue one. So the green one is still the best in my opinion. So let's start the music again.